you, Your Honors. I have the honor to move for the approval of the Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-294, entitled An Ordinance Enacting the Comprehensive Program Services Privileges and Benefits for Solo Parents and their Children in the Province of Iloilo and appropriating funds thereof and for other purposes, for third and final reading.
So, Mr. Chair, on motion of the author, I move for the approval of Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-294 on third and final reading.
Mr. Secretary. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand.
It appears, Your Honor, that all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
So the proposed ordinance, Provincial Ordinance Number 2023-294, entitled An Ordinance Enacting the Comprehensive Program Services Privileges and Benefits for Solo Parents and their Children in the Province of Iloilo and appropriating funds therefor and for other purposes, authored by the Honorable Tingting S. Garin and co-authored by the Honorable Carol V. S. Espinosa-Diaz, is now approved on third and final reading.